right, you are at the jigsaw cutting station. This station, you're gonna be cutting your 2 triangles, one for the design element and one for the bottom of your planner. As you are cutting these, you need to make sure you are using the bottom side of the light board needs to be up when you are cutting. This is gonna be the bottom of your planter, and this is gonna be the top of the design element. So this cherry color is the side that we want. So it's gonna be face down so we get a better cut. All right, moving on. Here, it is a must that you have on your safety goggles. You may not ever use a saw unless you have your safety goggles on. After you are done using your safety goggles, you're gonna come over here and wipe them down. You saw the jigsaw. The jigsaw is what you're going to use to cut out your triangle. Mr. Harvey will be here to explain again and help you man the station. Remember, the trigger does need to be pushed all the way down to ensure we are getting the best cut. If the battery should go dead, we have more plugged in Mr. Aller's room. So, coming over here, you are going to make sure that you have your triangle traced. You're going to want to leave a little bit of a gap right here to make room for the saw. Notice the light side is up and the cherry side is down. Really important, so you get a smoother cut. If the board is not secured, you're going to take your C-clamp and you're going to go ahead and secure it. Okay, this is the release button. It moves the C-clamp. Once it's not pressed down, it releases. So you're going to go ahead, make sure that your wood is secured on both sides of the table. Then you're going to go ahead and trace your triangle. You're going to get your saw, and you want to make sure the flat portion of the saw is against the wood. You're going to make sure that your saw blade is lined up. You're going to move your template out of the way, and you're going to go ahead and start cutting. Okay? When you cut, I am not going to do the full triangle with you. I'm going to just show you how I would start cutting. You're going to want to cut all the way up to this point of the triangle. Stop your saw, take your saw out, and then you're going to move to the other side and do a second cut. Remember, you need 2 of these triangles. So I want to make sure that my free hand is out of the way. I am left-handed, so I'm cutting with my left hand, pushing down the board over here. You are going to stop when you get here. You want to go nice and slow to ensure you have a nice straight cut. You can't see my line because I made it in yellow. I'm missing my green marker, but you normally are going to trace it in a nice dark color. So you're going to stop when you get here, and you're going to do it again on the other side. You will need 2 of these, and that's your video.